Hello guys, how is it going? Today I'm going to unbox this Xiaomi Mi Band 4 and let's take a look what is inside this box. This is Mi Band 4 which is I purchased in Malaysia for around $30. Okay, inside the box you will get Mi Band 4 itself and charging dock and user manual. This is all you get inside this box. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Otherwise, leave comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.